guys, welcome to an episode of Jamali Plays, where we play Mass Effect. We're playing the Legendary Edition, which gives us all 3 games, but of course, naturally, we have to start with Mass Effect 1. Because there's no other way to do it. So here we go, we're going to get into this. We're playing evil Shepard. We're going to be a complete and total menace to society. While also saving society. We're going to be the good guys, but we're going to be bad good guys. Let's go ahead. We'll start a new career. I did play a little bit beforehand, but I want to make it a character.
Welcome to Alliance Military Database. Classified information requested. Establishing secure connection. Secure connection confirmed.
I'll generally try to do as little
Please
talking.
log in to access your profile.
I'll try to do as little talking as possible for the immersion, but we're not going to customize the Shepard because it's whatever. Or maybe we will, actually. I do like the redhead Shepard. I do like redhead Fib Shepard. It's pretty good. She is beautiful, so that's a good name. Jamal Shepard.
Profile reconstruction complete.
Soul Survivor, yes.
Please log in to access your profile.
Her new ID.
Please log in to access your profile.
Right.
Warning, data corruption detected. Please reconstruct profile. Confirm pre-service history.
Earthborn. Yeah, we escaped the life of petty crime and underworld gangs and enlisted with the Alliance military.
Confirm psychological profile.
We are going to be the sole survivor during a mission. During your service mission you were on when horribly wrong, trapped in an extreme survival situation. You had to overcome physical torments and psychological stresses that would have broken most people you survived while all of those around you fell, and now you alone are left to tell the tale.
Confirm military specialization.
Now, this is where we get a little funky, because I wanted to play a sniper, I wanted to be an infiltrator, but the other classes are really cool, and they change throughout the game, so that makes things a little difficult, but I'm still
Confirm facial identification.
I'm gonna, oh, they made this look a little better too, but cycle presets. Alright, you know, let's just, look at me. That's good. Skin tone. Now we gotta be melanated queens. Melanated queens. Onyx skin. I like it. Picasso. Looking youthful. Looking young. Let's make her not look too young though. We're not like babies. We're grown ass woman. You know what I mean? That's good. That's good. Somewhere in the middle. Okay. Facial structures. Head. Yeah, it's fine. Face size, that's okay. Cheek width, cheekbones. We like a good cheeky bony. We love good cheekbones. Cheek gone, that's fine. Ear size, who cares? Eyes, the eye shape. Let's see what we can do here. Get a little funky. All right, big eyes. Always love big eyes. Okay, see what all the options are first. What? How did I even get there? That's good. Eye height. Let me get a little lower, huh? Oh no, I'm starting to look like an alien. I'm starting to look weird. I'm starting to look a little weird. And honestly, alright, that's good, that's good. Jaw. This is fine. Mouth. I like this one. The depth. This is all good. This is all good. What about the lip size? Can you make the lips bigger? We love a full lipped queen. Nose. Let's see. What's our nose shape options looking like? Just gotta have more Afrocentric features because we melanated. That's good. That's good. Hair. Now this is gonna be the favorite part. Ooh, hair color. Okay, so this is just FemShep, right? This is FemShep, purple hair, black. I have to change to makeup because it looks god awful. Let's see what other hairstyles we got. Oh, I kind of like this. Kind of like this. I kind of like the front. It's got the little messy string bangs. There's like no dreads or anything in this character customization. Yeah, just braids. Like, okay. Yeah, FemShep hair is fine. Like this. Like this. Okay. Brow color. Probably not gonna have the purple hair. Probably just gonna do black hair. Or we might do the red. Honestly, red hair with black skin is it. This is up. All right, let's take that off. This is not very complimentary. We don't like that. That's fine. That's fine. That's good. We gotta have some scars because, you know, we were the sole survivor. Did I skip eyes? No, I didn't. I just didn't change her eye color. You know, I love a good. It's really hard to get her to just look right at you. Just look at me. Look at me. All right. Do we have like a hazel? Okay. Let's see. Do we like any other facial structures before we go along with this? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Just look straight ahead. Appreciate you. I feel like all these darker skin tones kind of look ass. I guess I'll go with more light skin tone, more representative of me since it is she's named after me. Like, what is this? That is just like pale as dog shit, right? Or pale as a sick dog. Like, is this what color is this? Huh? Is this supposed to look at me? Why is she literally pink here? Alright, that's good. Alright, since we got that, let's do a little different with the lip size. Or not lip size, the color, the makeup of the lips. Yeah, that's good. And let's see, we got any other cooler scars as the sole survivor? Oh yeah, we're gonna be a menace. We're gonna just be straight up disrespectful. And we're a commander, so, you know, we have the authority to do that. Yeah, like this one right across the face.
Profile reconstruction complete. Identification confirmed.
I kind of just want to get through this game, so I think I'm just going to play this at a normal difficulty, just so I can blow through this game. And we can play 2 and 3, which are a lot better. Yeah, let's put this through. It's been a while. It's been a while. All right, so I'm going to mute my mic. You guys enjoy the game.
Well, what about Shepard? Earthborn, but no record of her family.
Doesn't have one. She was raised on the streets, learned to look out for herself.
She saw her whole unit die on a cruise. She could have some serious emotional scars.
Every soldier has scars. Shepard's a survivor.
Is that the kind of person we want protecting the galaxy?
That's the only kind of person who can protect the galaxy.
I'll make the call.
First prime relay is in range. Initiating transmission sequence.
Commander?
We are connected. Calculating transit mass and destination. The relay is hot. Acquiring approach vector. All stations secure for transit. Board is green. Approach run has begun. Hitting the relay in 3, 2, 1.
Thrusters, check. Navigation, check. Internal emissions sync engaged. All systems online. Drift, just under 1500K.
1500 is good. Your captain will be pleased.
I hate that guy.
Nihilus gave you a compliment. So you hate him.
You remember to zip up your jumpsuit on the way out of the bathroom? That's good. I just jumped us halfway across the galaxy and hit a target the size of a pinhead. So that's incredible. Besides, Spectres are trouble. I don't like having them on board. Call me paranoid.
You're paranoid. The Council helped fund this project. They have a right to send someone to keep an eye on their investment.
Yeah, that is the official story. But only an idiot believes the official story.
That's enough. Your soldiers act like it.
Sorry, Commander.
Joker, status report.
Just cleared the mass relay, Captain. Stealth systems engaged. Everything looks solid.
Good. Find a comm buoy and link us into the network. I want mission reports relayed back to Alliance brass before we reach Eden Prime.
Aye, aye, Captain. Better brace yourself, sir. I think Nihilus is headed your way.
He's already here, Lieutenant. Tell Commander Shepard to meet me in the comm room for a debriefing.
You get that, Commander?
Great. You pissed the captain off and now I'm gonna pay for it.
Don't blame me. The captain's always in a bad mood.
Only when he's talking to you, Joker.
I'm telling you, I just saw him. He marched by like he was on a mission.
These inspectors are always on a mission.
And we're getting dragged, right along with him.
Relax, Presley. You're gonna give yourself an ulcer.
Congratulations, Commander. Looks like we had a smooth run. You heading down to see the captain?
I'm on my way to give him a status update right now.
With all due respect, ma'am, maybe he'll finally tell you what we're really doing out here.
You think the Alliance brass is holding out on us?
If all we're supposed to do is test out the stealth system, why is Captain Anderson in charge? And then there's Nihilus. Spectres are elite operatives, top covert agents. Why send a Spectre, a Turian Spectre, on a shakedown run? It doesn't add up.
Info's on a need-to-know basis, Presley. Just follow the orders you're given.
Understood, Commander.
I grew up on Eden Prime, Doc. It's not the kind of place Spectres visit. There's something Nihilus isn't telling us about this. What do you think, Commander? We won't be staying on Eden Prime too long, will we? I'm itching for some real action.
I sincerely hope you're kidding, Corporal. Your real action usually ends with me patching up crew members in the infirmary.
Marines are meant to fight. You just fix us up and we're done.
I know how things work, Commander. I've seen my share of combat, but it's foolish to go looking for trouble. You could both take a lesson from the captain. He's not afraid of combat, but he knows the value of restraint, too.
Sorry, Doc, but this waiting's killing me. I've never been on a mission like this before, not one with a Spectre on board.
Do your job, follow my orders, and there won't be any problems.
Easy for you to say. You proved yourself on a cruise. Everybody knows what you can do. This is my big chance. I need to show the brass what I can do.
This mission isn't about personal glory, Corporal. We have a job to do. Don't do anything stupid to mess it up.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'm not gonna screw this up.
The captain's waiting for me.
Goodbye, Commander.
Commander Shepard, I was hoping you'd get here first. It will give us a chance to talk.
What about?
I'm interested in this world we're going to. Eden Prime. I've heard it's quite beautiful.
I'm a Marine, not some tourist on vacation.
It's more than just a tourist destination, isn't it, Shepard? Eden Prime is a symbol of your people. A perfect little world on the edges of your territory. Proof that humanity can not only establish colonies across the galaxy, but also protect them. But how safe is it, really?
Are you trying to scare me, Spectre?
Your people are still newcomers, Shepard. The galaxy can be a very dangerous place. Is the Alliance truly ready for this?
I think it's about time we told the Commander what's really going on.
This mission is far more than a simple shakedown run.
I already figured that out.
We're making a covert pickup on Eden Prime. That's why we needed the stealth systems operational.
What's the payload, Captain?
A research team on Eden Prime unearthed some kind of beacon during an excavation. It was Prothean.
What else can you tell me?
This is big, Shepard. The last time humanity made a discovery like this, it jumped our technology forward 200 years. But Eden Prime doesn't have the facilities to handle something like this. We need to bring the beacon back to the Citadel for proper study.
Obviously, this goes beyond mere human interests, Commander. This discovery could affect every species in Council space.
Why didn't we keep the beacon for ourselves?
You humans don't have the best reputation. Some species see you as selfish, too unpredictable, too independent, even dangerous.
Sharing that beacon will improve relations with the Council. Plus, we need their scientific expertise. They know more about the Protheans than we do.
The beacon's not the only reason I'm here, Shepard.
Nihilus wants to see you in action, Commander. He's here to evaluate you.
Since when do we answer to the Spectres?
You're smart enough to know how things work, Commander. The Alliance has been pushing for this for a long time. Humanity wants a larger role in shaping interstellar policy. We want more say with the Citadel Council. The Spectres represent the Council's power and authority. If they accept a human into their ranks, it shows how far the Alliance has come.
Not many could have survived what you went through on Akuz. You showed a remarkable will to live, a particularly useful talent. That's why I put your name forward as a candidate for the Spectres.
Why would a Turian want a human in the Spectres?
Not all Turians resent humanity. Some of us see the potential of your species. We see what you have to offer to the rest of the galaxy, and to the Spectres. We are an elite group. It's rare to find an individual with the skills we seek. I don't care that you're human, Shepard. I only care that you can do the job.
I don't like people making decisions about my future.
This isn't about you, Shepard. Humanity needs this. We're counting on you.
I need to see your skills for myself, Commander. Eden Prime will be the first of several missions together.
You'll be in charge of the ground team. Secure the beacon and get it onto the ship ASAP. Nihilus will accompany you to observe the mission.
Why is this beacon so important?
All advanced galactic civilization is based on Prothean technology, even yours.
If we hadn't discovered those Prothean ruins buried on Mars, we'd still be stuck on Earth. That was just a small data cache. Who knows what we can learn from this beacon? What if it's a weapons archive? We can't let it fall into the wrong hands.
Like who?
The Attican Traverse isn't the most stable sector of Citadel space. There are plenty of raiders and criminal groups active in the region. They might figure a Prothean beacon is worth the risk of attacking an Alliance ship. Plus, Eden Prime is right on the border of the Terminus systems.
The Attican Traverse is under Citadel protection. If the Terminus systems attack, it's an act of war.
Technically, yes. But some of the species in the Terminus might be willing to start a war over this.
The last thing the Council wants is to get dragged into a major conflict with the Terminus systems. We have to keep this low-key.
Just give the word, Captain.
We should be getting close to Eden.
Captain, we got a problem.
What's wrong, Joker?
Transmission from Eden Prime, sir. You better see this.
Bring it up on screen.
Get down!
We are under attack, taking heavy casualties. I repeat, heavy casualties. We can't... Need evac. They came out of nowhere. We need...
cuts out after that. No comm traffic at all. Just goes dead. There's nothing.
Reverse and hold at 38.5. Status report.
17 minutes out, Captain. No other Alliance ships in the area.
Take us in, Joker, fast and quiet. This mission just got a lot more complicated.
A small strike team can move quickly, without drawing attention. It's our best chance to secure the beacon.
Grab your gear and meet us in the cargo hold. Tell Alenko and Jenkins to suit up, Commander. You're going in.
Engaging stealth systems. Somebody was doing some serious digging here, Captain.
Your team's the muscle in this operation, Commander. Go in heavy and head straight for the dig site.
What about survivors, Captain?
Helping survivors is a secondary objective. The beacon's your top priority.
Approaching drop point 1.
Nihilus, you're coming with us?
I move faster on my own.
Nihilus will scout out ahead. He'll feed you status reports throughout the mission. Otherwise, I want radio silence.
I don't like putting my life in the hands of a Turian, sir.
Nihilus is on our side. He wants you in the Spectres, and he wants that beacon.
Ready and able, sir.
The mission's yours now, Shepard. Good luck!
We are approaching drop point 2.
Ship perimeter secure, Commander.
What the hell are...
This place got hit hard, Commander.
That's it. Bag him and tag him. Rip right through his shields. We're at a chance.
Leave him. We need to finish the mission.
Aye, aye, ma'am.
Some burned out buildings here, Shepard. A lot of bodies. I'm gonna check it out. I'll try to catch up with you at the dig site.
for your help, Commander. I didn't think I was gonna make it. Gunnery Chief Ashley Williams of the 212. You the one in charge here, ma'am?
I need a status report, now.
Oh, man. We were patrolling the perimeter when the attack hit. We tried to get off a distress call, but they cut off our communications. I've been fighting for my life ever since.
Where's the rest of your squad?
We tried to double back to the beacon, but we walked into an ambush. I don't think any of the others... I think I'm the only one left.
You just left the rest of your unit behind to die?
We held our position as long as we could. The Geth overwhelmed us.
The Geth haven't been seen outside the Veil in nearly 200 years. Why are they here now?
They must have come for the beacon. The dig site is close, just over that rise. It might still be there.
Lieutenant Alenko and I will take care of this.
Let me come with you, ma'am. The Geth slaughtered my unit. Give me a chance to get even.
She knows the area, Commander, and we could use the extra firepower.
Just don't forget who's in charge.
Understood, Commander. You give the orders and I'll follow them.
Describe what happened leading up to the attack.
We were sent out a couple of nights ago from the main colony to secure the area. Seemed like a routine patrol, until the Geth hit us. We never knew they were coming.
What happened to the researchers at the dig site?
I don't know. They set up camp near the beacon. The 232 was with them. Maybe their unit fared better than mine.
Move out!
The beacon's at the far end of this trench. This is the dig site. The beacon was right here and must have been moved.
By who? Our side or the Geth?
Hard to say. Maybe we'll know more after we check out the research camp.
Let's get moving. Williams, where's the camp?
It's just on the top of this ridge, up the ramps.
Change of plans, Shepard. There's a small spaceport up ahead. I want to check it out. I'll wait for you there.
And for the recording's sake, we'll just go ahead and end that there. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the like button. I just need to stop this recording for the people who are watching it live, and then I'm going to restart again, and we'll get right back into it. Okay, give me 1 second.